do the puzzle. Get it. Get it, Lumen. She got it. She moved it, and then she moved it back on top of it. Lumen. Lumen. She's trying to pick it up with her mouth. Good job. There's one. Go on. You gotta slide it. Slide it. There's one that's showing right there. And she can get the cheese out of it. You're so close. Do you not see it, Lumen?